Hi, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, we're going to install the Jedit text editor. A quick note, you do have to have Java installed on your system for this editor to work. I have a video on installing Java. Please check that out. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is enable the Linux development environment. So we can go over to the launcher here, and to enable the Linux development environment, we'll find our settings. And on the left-hand side of our settings, we'll go to Advanced. From here, we'll click on Developers, and then Turn On, and then Next, and Install. This will take a few minutes to install, so I'll come on back when it's done. When Linux is installed, a terminal will pop up. I'll maximize the terminal and increase the font size so you can see what I'm going to do next. I want to make sure everything is up to date, so I'm going to type sudo apt-get update, and then 2 ampersands, which stands for and then sudo apt-get dist-upgrade with a -y flag at the end, and I'll hit enter. Okay, now that the Linux development environment is enabled, we can install Jedit. To do that, I'm going to type sudo apt-install Jedit, and then hit enter. And there we go, Jedit is installed. To find it, we'll go to our launcher and we'll search for Jedit. Okay, and it may take a moment to come up. Here it comes up. We'll click on Jedit. Okay, and Jedit opens up and you can pin it to the taskbar. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.